Tybee Island leaders are working around the clock to prepare for any potential impact from Michael.
The island was hit hard in the last couple of years from Matthew and Irma. Now they hope the letter M is the only thing they have in common. News 3's Danny Dykes joins us now live on Tybee Island with more on our team coverage. Good morning, Danny.
Hey, good morning. Well, I can already feel the wind is picking up out here. Just to give you an idea, this chain behind me has just been whipping around in circles over and over. The flags are flapping behind me here on the pavilion, and those aren't the only flags that are flying. There are double red flags on the beach warning swimmers and surfers not to go near the water, and this is all before Michael even makes landfall. Now, Tybee leaders also say there's a high risk of rip currents over the next few days. At this time, leaders are not planning to evacuate the island or shut down Highway 80, but they are watching the tide closely. They say we could see levels higher than normal depending on the heavy wind and rain from the storm. Although they're not expecting excess flooding, officials say they're prepared for any course of action.
We'll have police out there making sure that the low-lying areas are watched, and if we do get inundation, that we let people know. We're pleased with the way we're operating. We're just going to hunker down and ride it out.
City Hall will be closed today until further notice, and Tybee leaders tell me that they're waiting on further updates from SEMA before taking any other necessary precautions. We'll keep you updated on air and online. Live on Tybee Island, Danny Dykes, WSAV News 3.